Welcome back YouTube channel, like, subscribe, share, comment. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the 2026 M3 Stuart tank, a machine that's turning heads and sparking conversations in both military and engineering circles. This isn't just a throwback to its World War II namesake, it's a modern light combat vehicle that blends historical inspiration with 21st century technology in a surprisingly nimble package. The 2026 M3 Stuart tank is a next-gen light armored vehicle designed primarily for reconnaissance and rapid response roles. At first glance, it holds onto the classic silhouette of its predecessor, with low-profile armor and a compact hull that makes it exceptionally maneuverable in tight environments. Under the hood, though, it's all new. This vehicle is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine, offering a top speed of around 90 km/h on road, and whisper-quiet operation in electric-only mode, a crucial feature for stealth operations. We're talking about a 25-ton frame with advanced composite armor, designed to absorb and deflect hits from small to medium caliber rounds. While it's not a frontline main battle tank, its protection is more than sufficient for its intended roles. The suspension system is fully adaptive, enabling smooth rides across rugged terrain, and the vehicle's amphibious capabilities mean it can cross rivers without external preparation. Armament-wise, the Stuart M3 2026 sports a 40mm autocannon with programmable ammunition, capable of engaging infantry, drones, and even light armored vehicles. There's also a coaxial 7.62mm machine gun and a retractable anti-tank guided missile system mounted on the turret, giving it a punch well beyond what you'd expect from a vehicle in this weight class. The fire control system is AI-assisted, providing automatic target tracking, real-time threat assessment, and integration with drones for beyond line-of-sight engagement. Inside, the design is all about modularity and crew efficiency. A three-person crew can operate the vehicle effectively, thanks to intuitive digital controls and a panoramic 360-degree vision suite, including thermal and night vision feeds. There's even limited autonomous driving functionality, which can be a game-changer in low visibility or high-risk scenarios. Now, what really sets the 2026 M3 Stuart tank apart is its logistical agility. It's air-transportable by C-130 and similar aircraft, making rapid deployment possible. And thanks to its low maintenance demands and onboard diagnostic AI, field downtime is minimal, crucial for extended operations in hostile terrain. Whether you're a defense tech enthusiast or just intrigued by how history and innovation can meet on the battlefield, the 2026 M3 Stuart is a prime example of legacy evolving with purpose. It's not the biggest or the most heavily armed, but it's smart, fast, and built for the future. Thanks for watching.